No, I have a very cancelable face. But he's like, you want to order Chinese tonight? I'm like, not really. He's like, wow, dude, get the fuck out. Get out. Yeah, don't just call out a race. That's rude. I'll do it. Fucking, you could fire me and you don't even work here. What the fuck is on your socks? Show your socks. They're frogs. Shut up, because that's not a frog, because it's every color, okay? I'm from New Jersey. I've only ever seen a green frog and it was dead, okay? These are some tropical-ass frogs that you saw on vacation where you fired the help. Let's focus. We gotta focus on